Welcome to Technical School YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do a hard reset and bypass Google account in Samsung J2 phone. If you forget your password or pattern of Samsung J2, there is an option to break it by using Gmail account and password. If you don't know your Gmail account and password to unlock it, then I'm here with this video to solve this problem. Follow the instructions together and properly. Finally, you will be able to unlock your device. If the device is powered on, then first of all, we need to shut it down. For that, long press the power button key. You will get this option. Now choose power off option. Now we need to press three keys together at once. The keys are power off key, home key, and volume off key. After pressing these three keys, we are getting this screen. It may not take long time. In this screen, we need to choose wipe data factory reset option. For that, press the volume down key to select this option. And press power off key. Again, press the volume down key to select delete all users data. And press power off key once. Now it is erasing users data. On this screen, press the power off button to reboot the device. Our device is rebooting. It may take several times. Now we have the option to choose language, and English United Kingdom is selected as default language, and it is okay for us. So that tap on the arrow option. Now it is time to connect it with Wi-Fi network. I am going to connect with my Wi-Fi network. You can connect to any network available on your location. After connected with the Wi-Fi network, go to the previous screen by pressing back key once. In this screen, press the home key 3 times to enable talkback service.
Talkback enabled. Spoken feedback for users with impaired vision now provided. To disable, press.
Now draw letter L on the screen. You will get this option.
Talkback on. Accessibility tutorials. When Explore by Touch is turned off, you can touch the screen to learn.
Double tap on the talkback setting.
Alert global content. Talkback settings.
The screen is not scrolling. To make it scroll, press the volume up and down both key together at once.
Alert suspend talkback.
Double tap on OK option. It will start to scroll again.
Talkback suspended.
Now choose privacy and policy option. Choose internet option.
Page loaded.
Go to the address bar and type romfast.com and press on go. In this web page, we need to choose FRP option.
Loading started.
From this page, we have to download some files. Choose Android 5.
Loading started.
Again choose internet browser.
Loading started.
Actually, it is a APK file which is Google Account Manager for Android version 5. Press the download button, it will start to download.
Page loaded. Loading started. Loading started.
Go to the previous web page and choose Sort. It is another file to download which is Quick Shortcut Maker. Press the download button.
Page loaded. Loading started. Loading started. Page loaded.
Now tap on bookmark icon, history and download history. Both files are downloading, so wait for it to complete. Download is completed. At first, install Google Account Manager. Installation is blocked, so go to the setting and tap the unknown source. Press on install option. After installing Google Account Manager, install Quick Shortcut Maker. It is also installed on our device. Let's open it. On the search bar, type Google and tap on the Google Account Manager. Now search for Google Account Manager, type username and password. Here, tap on Try. In this screen, tap on the three dot and choose Browser Sign In. OK. We have the option to sign in to Google. Type your Gmail account and password for login. We are successful to signing into Google. Now restart the device.
Shutting down.
In this welcome screen, tap on the arrow button. We are already connected to the Wi-Fi network, so tap on next option. Again, next. Agree. It may take some time.
Talkback resumed. Checking connection.
We have already added our new Gmail account, so choose next option.
Next button. Alert before telecom. Okay. Talkback suspended.
You can skip all options. Finally, you will be on your unlocked home screen. I hope you have unlocked your Samsung J2 device properly. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to this channel.